Hello, it's Matt and welcome to Collaboration Coach. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use tags to group people in teams so you can @mention them in your posts. Okay, so you can @mention groups and people in your posts by typing the @ sign and then the name of the group or person. Tagging allows us to create a group of people within our teams and then use the tag to post to those people. So let's look at an example. I have a tag in my retail team called designers, so I can use it to @mention the designers. As I type, it will suggest my designers tag and show me how many people have that tag assigned to them already. If I select it and hover over it, it will show me information about the members. And if I click on the members link, it will open up the Manage Tags window and show me more information about the tag. Let's close that down so I can show you another tag I created already called Producers. Owners can manage tags for the whole team by going to the ellipsis next to the team name and choosing Manage Tags. On the Manage Tags window, you'll see the existing tags, and here I can see my designers and producers tags. If I click into designers, I can edit the tag name, I can add people to the tag, and I can remove them from the tag. And I can also use the chat with group feature to open up a chat in Teams addressed to all the people with that tag. From the Manage Team page, we can also see the tags column in the members list. This allows us to manage tags for individuals so we can add them and remove them, and we can manage the tags here. To create a tag, you choose the Create Tag button from the Manage Tags window, you give the tag a name, and then you add the people. It will only allow you to add people who are members of the team. When you hit Create, you'll see your new tag listed in the Manage Tags window. Then it's available to use in the members list, and you can use it to @mention in a post. Finally, in the team settings, you can choose who is allowed to add tags. By default, it's the owners only, but you can change it to any members if you like, as long as they're within your team. Okay, so that's how you use tags in Teams to group people up so you can @mention them in your posts. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.